Don't underestimate the hidden powers of traditional medicine when it comes to treating sinusitis. Say goodbye to stuffy noses and discover the exciting healing methods. Sinusitis in traditional medicine is described as having a cold brain, which leads to frequent illnesses. When the brain becomes cold, it weakens, causing the accumulation of mucus and other substances that do not exit properly. This trapped mucus in the respiratory passages can result in sinus infection and the development of sinusitis. Traditional medicine practitioners attribute the occurrence of sinusitis and sinus inflammation to various factors, including dietary habits, the use of chemical cleaning agents, toxins, and more. Drinking cold fluids is also believed to contribute to mucus buildup in the brain and increase the risk. Additionally, certain habits and factors are believed to be effective, such as excessive sleep and daytime napping, overeating, consuming cold and moist nature foods, especially during cold seasons, stress and anxiety, or even constipation. In reality, sinusitis is caused by inflammation and infection in the nasal, frontal, and throat passages. Therefore, nasal and throat irrigation with a saline warm solution is recommended, as it can prevent the accumulation of excess substances and be beneficial in preventing sinusitis. It is also recommended in traditional medicine for women to keep their heads covered all the day, since their heads tend to be colder in nature, while men should wear head coverings at night, since theirs are warmer. Treatment. One of the best and more effective treatments for sinusitis in traditional medicine involves the use of black seed oil. The treatment process is as follows. 1. On the first night, put 1 drop of black seed oil in the right nostril. 2. On the second night, put 1 drop in the left nostril. On the third night, 2 drops in the right one. Fourth night, 2 drops in the left one. Fifth night, 3 drops in the right. And on the 6th night, 3 drops in the left nostril. After these 6 days, discontinue the drops for 1 week, then repeat the process again. The treatment duration is usually 3 weeks, but it may be extended up to 40 days depending on the severity of the infection and inflammation. In the 4th week, inhale a mixture of warm water and a teaspoon of honey in each nostril every night. Applying peppermint essential oil, black seed oil, or lavender oil on the forehead during this period can also be beneficial. Note that the number of drops refers to the actual amount that enters the sinuses. It is normal to experience a burning sensation and increased nasal discharge when using these drops. Initially, it may feel uncomfortable, resembling a cold, but do not worry as it will yield results. This treatment method helps soften and separate the dried-up infections from the sinus walls, which caused by consuming antibiotics or dry weather, facilitating their expulsion. Another treatment method involves inhaling a mixture of 1 cup of warm, boiled water and a teaspoon of baking soda for 3 nights, followed by a 1-week break, and then repeating the process for 3 nights. Afterward, inhaling water and honey using the previous method is recommended. Additionally, using eucalyptus steam for 14 nights is another treatment method. Or prepare a mixture of equal parts of marshmallow root, chamomile, and thyme. Put 2 tablespoons of the mixture in 1 liter, 4 cups of water, and boil it for 15 minutes. Then, inhale the steam. Consuming honey with onions for 3 to 7 days can help thin sinus mucus and promote its discharge. Taking 1 teaspoon of docin, a mixture of 3 units of honey and half a scoop of black seed, every 12 hours is also recommended. This is just the beginning. Join my channel to discover the captivating beauty world that awaits. Wishing you the best.